Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the stunning 2027 Mercedes Maybach GLS 1000 luxury SUV, a vehicle that represents the absolute peak of comfort, technology, and prestige. This is not just an SUV, it is a rolling luxury suite built for people who want power, elegance, and unmatched road presence all in one package. Let's start with the exterior, because the first impression of the Maybach GLS 1000 is unforgettable. The front design is expected to become even more dramatic with a larger signature Maybach grille featuring bold vertical chrome slats that instantly announce luxury. Ultra-slim LED headlights with advanced digital lighting technology give the SUV a sharp and futuristic face. Recent facelift spy reports also show updated star pattern lighting and a refreshed front fascia. The sculpted hood, elegant chrome front bumper details, and massive road presence make it look like royalty on wheels. On the sides, large 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, chrome window surrounds, and signature two-tone paint options make the SUV stand out from every angle. Power-deploying side steps and flush premium detailing add to the high-end experience. Every inch of the vehicle feels carefully designed for exclusivity. At the rear, the SUV continues its luxury statement with sleek LED taillights, a refined tailgate design, chrome accents, and elegant dual exhaust finishers. It looks sophisticated, powerful, and expensive, which is exactly what a Maybach should be. Now let's move to performance, where luxury meets serious power. The 2027 Mercedes Maybach GLS 1000 is expected to continue with a high-performance, twin-turbocharged V8 engine, likely supported by advanced, mild hybrid technology for smoother driving and improved efficiency. Current Maybach GLS models use a V8 with around 550 horsepower, while updated GLS V8 variants remain in that flagship range. With this kind of power, the Maybach GLS delivers strong acceleration despite its large size. It is paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, giving drivers confidence in all weather conditions. But what makes this SUV truly special is not just speed, it is how effortlessly it delivers that speed. The advanced e-active body control suspension system creates an almost floating sensation, smoothing out rough roads so passengers barely feel imperfections. Highway driving feels silent and smooth, while city driving remains comfortable and controlled. It's like driving a luxury lounge rather than a traditional SUV. Step inside, and the 2027 Maybach GLS 1000 becomes even more impressive. The cabin is expected to be filled with premium Napa leather, handcrafted wood trim, polished aluminum accents, and soft ambient lighting that creates a relaxing atmosphere. Every detail is designed to make passengers feel special. The dashboard features the latest Mercedes MBX infotainment system with large digital displays, voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, and a premium Burmester surround sound system. Updated GLS models are expected to continue advanced screen layouts and premium digital displays. Wireless charging, panoramic sunroof, climate-controlled cup holders, and multi-zone luxury climate systems all come standard. But the real magic is in the rear seats. This is where the Maybach truly becomes first class on wheels. Executive rear seats with massage functions, heating, ventilation, reclining positions, and extended leg support turn every journey into a private luxury experience. Rear entertainment screens, folding tables, champagne holders, and refrigerated storage make it feel more like a private jet than an SUV. The cabin is also incredibly quiet thanks to advanced sound insulation. Even at high speeds, the interior remains peaceful, making it perfect for business travel, family luxury trips, or simply enjoying silence on the road. Now let's talk about the expected price. The 2027 Mercedes Maybach GLS 1000 is expected to start around $185,000, while fully customized versions with premium options could easily cross to $20,000 or more. That places it among the world's most exclusive luxury SUVs, competing directly with vehicles like the Bentley Bentayga, Range Rover SV, and Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Of course, at this level, buyers are not just paying for transportation, they are paying for prestige, comfort, and a statement of success. The Maybach badge itself carries a level of status that very few vehicles can match. Overall, the 2027 Mercedes Maybach GLS 1000 luxury SUV is designed for those who want the very best. It offers breathtaking exterior styling, effortless V8 performance, world-class interior comfort, and the kind of luxury that turns every drive into an event. This SUV is not built for ordinary driving, it is built for extraordinary living. It proves once again that when Mercedes Maybach creates something, they aim for perfection. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more luxury automotive content right here on the channel.